Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl Hamilton from Create with Cheryl, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite fun folds. It's called a Waterfall Card, and here's the one I'm going to show you using Baby Pull Toys, that stamp set that's in the mini catalog right now. So here it is. You pull the little string and everything flips up. Isn't that so cute? So I love these, and I hope you stay tuned and give it a try yourself. I'll show you while I'm on here a couple of my old ones that I found just to give you ideas. This one was that little bear from a couple of years ago. It was very cute. Isn't that cute? Here's sort of a Hawaiian one. Come on, pull, pull, pull. And this is really old. Remember the birthday cake? And I did something different here. I don't even know what I did. I guess it was, it had these circles on four sides. It's even sticking together. So I don't know. I think it's kind of, ooh, there's Bear. He was super cute. So stay tuned and you can see how this is done. Here's the cute card I'm going to be showing you how to make today. It's called a Waterfall Card, and when you pull the string at the bottom, the little squares just flip up like that. So it's really fun to make. You start out with cutting your real red cardstock base 11 inches by 4 1/4 inches. Then you score right in the middle at 5 and 5 1/2. Okay, so I'll just fold that. Then you cut out designer series paper. I'm using the snail paper, just the back of that. And you cut that out at 5 1/4 by 4, and then I'm going to glue it to the top of the card. Just using the Tombow adhesive. I like this glue because if you can set it on and you have a few seconds to position it, don't really press it down until you've got it where you really like it. So that's pretty good. And once it dries, it holds really well. Then you cut a piece of, let me see, you cut this little strip of Blushing Bride paper, 4 inches by 3/4 inches, and you just set it aside. You cut a Blushing Bride waterfall strip. This is cut 9 inches by 2 inches, and I'm going to score it. Just going to use the scoreboard, but you could use your paper trimmer as well. I'm going to score it at 2 3/4, 3 1/2, and 4 1/4. So if I was making a bunch of these, I would use my markers and put them there and just, you know, do it assembly line. Then I'm just going to fold it along the score lines like that. I've cut out my squares. The Bermuda Bay is for the back, just a little bit of contrast behind the white. And I've cut 4 squares that are 2 inches by 2 inches. And then the basic white, I've cut 4 squares, actually it's 4 squares that are 1 7/8 inch by 1 7/8 inch. So they'll just show a little bit of border there. So I'm going to go back to my waterfall strip, and using Delightful Tag Topper Punch, which is still going to be available in the new catalog. Yay, I just checked on that. I'm going to punch the longest end. So if you fold this at the last score line, where it's almost in half, this is the, can you guys see, there's a longer end there. So I'm going to stick that in. You stick it in till it hits the end here, and then just with the heel of your hand, punch it, and there it makes a little, you know, a cute little design. You fold the waterfall strip in half, and you're going to line it up at the top of your design series paper here. You're going to grab this little 3/4 inch strip, and you're going to want to put it and glue it right at the bottom of this edge. I'm going to use, if I can find it. Oh, there it is. I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal. So just for the edge. I'd probably normally use Stampin' Steel Plus, but I need to order more refill on that. You don't want to get any adhesive here in the middle. So anyway, again, I'm lining it up in the center, lining my strip up with the edge there. And there you go. So just putting that down really well. Next, I'm going to glue the top of my waterfall piece to the strip, okay, to the bottom edge of the strip. This part under here is not going to be glued down. So again, I'm just going to put Stampin' Seal on this and make sure it's, you know, in the center. Put it at the bottom of that strip. That looks centered. There you go. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Then I'm taking some baker's twine or ribbon, whatever you like. I'm going to double it and then put it through. Okay, let me see. Now I'm ready to stamp my images. Okay, I used Real Red. This, I didn't even show you the stamp set. It's really cute. Baby Pull Toys. Item 154537, and it's in the mini catalog that still has a couple of months to go. So this is really adorable baby cards. So I'm going to do For the Little Ones Who Tug on Our Heartstrings in Real Red. One. And then I think I did the elephant in Real Red since I have it out here. I'm looking at what I did on my other card. The lion was in Bermuda Bay. And to pick my colors, I just go by what's on this designer series paper. See, there's red, Blushing Bride, Bermuda Bay. So that was simple. What did I just say? Bermuda Bay. Where are you? Cute. And last one was the giraffe in Blushing Bride. Try to close up your stamp pads when you're done, because I am not the only one who's had your perfectly beautiful card just sort of go straight into there. Let's see. Okay, then I'm going to glue them onto the Bermuda Bay squares. Now I'm ready to glue the squares on. So the way I do this is I pull the string to the very end. So I'm kind of starting at the bottom. So this one, the sentiment is going to go in there. Oops. And I'm gluing it on that waterfall strip. Okay, and the next one, let me think. So I'm pushing it up, and you want to get the next one in there, which is the giraffe. And of course, I'm not going to put glue on the whole thing. You don't want that. You only want to put glue on this little strip, which is probably 3/4 inch wide. And you're going to set the square on top of that. So don't glue the whole thing down. It won't work. And push it in a little more. Now you're ready to glue this panel. Do the lion. And the last one is my elephant here. Okay, that's basically it. Isn't that cute? So there you go. I hope you guys can follow this video and do it for yourself. Let me finish up and do something on the inside, because it's on real red. I really need to put some white paper on there. So, oh, there's one more thing I did for fun. Where's the hearts? Here they are. So I'm going to stamp hearts in, I wanted to do this, I forgot. Let's put one, I don't know how I did it. I'm just going to put one heart right there, just for fun. Okay, and then on the inside of the card, I'm going to do something on a white square and put Little Baby Big Love in red. Okay, and this is going to go on the inside of the card, but behind it, I thought it'd be cute to put these hearts. See if I want more. It's covered up, so there. That's good. Okay. Don't forget to do something fun with your envelope too. Okay. There you go. A cute little waterfall card. I hope you guys try it. And thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Have a great day. Aloha.